Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So today we are going to discuss average part 2. Any new student in this class?
Yes, sir.
So guys, what is average? Average in simple words, average is mid value
Mid value or mean value.
or mean value. With example, like one series is given for consecutive numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. For these 5 consecutive odd numbers, third term out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what is the mid value of this complete 5 terms? Obviously, this is third term and that is equal to 5. So the average is directly 5 in this situation whenever in the series having consecutive odd numbers or consecutive even numbers or consecutive numbers. Okay, so correct answer is 5 for this situation. Suppose your numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In this position, again the third term, it means 3. Average is the 3 for this series. Like your series is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. In this situation, your average is 6. Middlemost term, that is 6. But in case like your numbers are 10, 12, 14, and 16, so what will be the average in this situation whenever only 4 terms are given? Yes, guys, tell me.
13.
13, exactly. So the middlemost value is the mid value of second and third term, which is 12 and 13, and the mid value of these two terms is 13. So the correct answer for this situation is 13. Everyone, I hope concept is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, actually the basic formula is average is sum of observation divided by number of observation, and with the help of this formula you can say that sum is equal to what? Average multiply with number of terms. Some other formula to calculate average whenever any series or numbers are given in consecutive form or in AP form. So formula is first number plus last number divided by 2. Like one series is given 11, 12, 13, and the last term of this series is 189. So what will be the average of this series? Your first term is 11, last term is 189, sum of these two divided by 2. So your answer is 200 by 2, it means correct answer is 100. Okay, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
And some other formula to calculate average especially for average of first and even natural number. Even natural number. Guys, tell me the formula for this one.
N+1.
N plus 1.
Yes, where n is the number of terms. And average of
Odd.
first and odd natural number.
Average is equal to N.
Yes, average is equal to n. In this both formula, your n represents number of terms. N means number of terms. I hope everything is fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So start with the fresh question. The question says, average of 25 numbers is 35. Means complete 25 numbers are given. And for this entire series of 25 numbers, your average value is 35. And for first 12 and for last 12, average value is given 33 and 36. So for initial 12 numbers, your average value is 33. For last 12 numbers, your average value is 36. So what will be the 13th term value? So I think through basic approach, it's very easy to solve.
Yes.
Okay, so try to do it.
Sir, will it be 35?
Why? Reason?
Oh, okay. It's not continuous numbers. Okay, sir. That way, I thought that the 13th number is the average. So that means, okay, sir.
Okay, Nikhil and Pranav got 47. Rest students, your response for this question is? So Ananya, you got 47 in the procedure. How to get this 47?
Sir, I use the basic method.
Means 25 multiply 35, 12 into
Yes,
33,
yes.
12 into 36 and so on.
Yeah.
Right?
And then subtract.
Okay. So everyone know the basic approach for this question? Or discussion required for the basic approach? Yes, Umesh?
Please tell me, sir.
Okay. So one formula, sum. How to get sum? If you know the average and also the number of terms. So what is the value of sum? That is average into number of terms. Here total 25 terms are given and the average value is 35. So sum of all 25 numbers is equal to 25 multiplied with 35. This gives 875. This is the sum of all 25 numbers. And you also know the average value of initial 12 and last 12. So sum of initial 12 numbers is 12 into 33 and the sum of last 12 numbers is 12 into 36. So this is 396 and this one is 432, yes. And after adding these two values, your result is 828. And 828 is the sum for 24 numbers. Why 24? Initial 12 and last 12, it means total 24 numbers. If you subtract 875 and 828, now you get what? 47. This is the sum of all 25 numbers and this one is for initial 12 and last 12. So obviously the difference value represents the 13th term, which is 47.
And what's the shortcut method, sir?
Yes, wait. So if you club initial 12 and last 12, so 12 plus 12, it means 24 numbers.
Yes.
For these 24 numbers, your average is the middlemost value of 33 and 36. And the middlemost value is 34.5. How to get this middlemost?
Yes, sir. First term.
33 plus 36 divided by 2. So this is 34.5.
Yes, sir.
So it means for 24 numbers, your average value is 34.5. One extra number, that is 13th term, means after adding one new number, now series of 25 numbers complete, and at this position, your average is definitely 35. So now a simple question, if the average of 24 numbers is 34.5 and after adding one new number, your average is converted to 35. So what is the value of this new number? So again, take new average value, that is 35, and 0.5 extra for each number. So out of 24 number, 24 into 0.5, it means 12 extra. Your correct answer is 47. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, please repeat again, sir.
Wait बेटा, actually ये approach fail हो जाएगा. Then initial 12 and last 12 are not given. It means these numbers are not same. Maybe initial 12 average value is 33 and last 15 average value is 36. So this approach is not applicable. So
Okay.
see that approach which is useful in all the situation, like some different way.
Sir, why it is not useful?
Because whenever data is in this form, initial 10 and last 15 numbers, it means numbers are not same. In that position, middlemost value for the average value is not applicable. Only when these terms are same, 12 and 12, 10 and 10, then in that position your average value is definitely 34.5. So in other approach and the shortest approach, the group average value is 35. Take this group average value, that is 35. Now focus on the initial 12 and last 12 numbers. For initial 12 numbers, average is 33. It means it's decreased by 2 with compared to this average value. So decrease by 2 in the average, it means for each number decrease by 2. So out of total 12 numbers, overall 24 decrease. Yes or no? For each number, it's 2 decrease. So for complete 12 numbers, 24 decrease. Got at this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So to maintain this average as 35, just add this 24. Because overall values decrease by 24. So to maintain this group average as 35,
So
just
where
add
the
this
24 is coming, sir?
24 due to 2 decrease in each number. So out of total 12 numbers, it's 24. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And for last 12 numbers, your average value is increased by 1. So for each number, it's increased by 1. So overall for 12 numbers, overall increase value is 12. And again, to maintain this average value at 35, subtract this 12. And just this simple line calculation, single line calculation, the correct answer is 47 without any huge calculation. Is it clear, everyone?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And the same question is this. Try to solve with the single line approach. Question says 11 numbers, average value is 33. For initial 5 numbers, your average value is 25. For the last 5, it's 28. And you have to require the value of 6th number. Yes, Nikhil. Good. Guys, put your answers fast. So everyone got 65 or any problem? Anyone got 45? Yes, the correct one is 65. Discussion required for this question or clear to everyone?
Please discuss, sir.
Please discuss.
Better. Complete group average value is 30. Take this average value. This is 30. For initial 5, it's decreased by 5. So for each number, it's decreased by 5. It is for all 5 numbers, overall decrease value is 25. And because this value is decreased, to maintain this average at this 30, add this 25. For last 5 number, it's decreased by 2. For each number, it's 2. So overall for 5 numbers, decreased by 10 overall. So again, to maintain this average at 30, add this 10. Now you get what? 65. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, a simple question. Question says average of certain first consecutive even numbers is 101. Find their sum. Average is given, sum is required, and you know what is the value of sum through the formula. Sum is equal to average into number of terms. Average is given for this question. It means number of terms are required. So how to get this number of terms for this question? Okay, so fastest answer through the memory. Yes, rest students, everyone got same or any problem in this question?
No, sir, no problem.
Guys, clear everyone? Correct answer for this question is 101 double zero. It means 10,100. Everyone got same?
Yes, sir.
Anvesha, Anushka,
Yes,
Priyanka.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So tell me the answer for this one, as it is same question, but this time question belongs to odd numbers. Nandini, why 1200? Reason?
Yes, sir. Sorry, it's my mistake. It's 3600.
Yes, correct answer is 3600. In the case of odd, your sum is equal to n square. N is 60, so 60 square is 3600. So sum in the case of even numbers is equal to n multiplied with n plus 1. Sum in the case of odd numbers is equal to n square. Okay, so I think this one is a repeated question. Tell me everyone, what is the correct
Yes, sir.
answer for this question?
A
Yes,
plus
it's
6.
A plus
8
6.
plus 6. Yes, absolutely right. Correct one is 8 plus 6. Everyone know the concept behind this? Mr. Rahul, Simran. Umesh, any problem in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so everyone got 8 plus 6. Good. Now the language says average of 11 players and a coach. It means total 12 members. Average value is 18. If the age of coach is not considered, then average decreases by 1 year. So find the age of coach. Again, a simple question. Okay, so everyone got 29. Yes. So actually question says total 12 members and your average value is 18. When age of coach is not considered, it means for 11 members, your average value is 17. So now convert this information in your favor. Whenever only 11 players, your average value is 17, and after adding one coach, your average is converted to 18. It means the coach at least age value is 18, and how much extra? 1 for each player. So for 11 players, obviously 11 extra, it means the correct answer is 29. Absolutely right, good. Again, it's a repeated question. You know everyone how to deal for this question. Average of first 7 integers in a series of 13 consecutive odd numbers, odd integers is 37. What is the average of entire series? Nikhil, check it again, beta.
Sir, 43. 43 is the right answer.
Exactly. The correct answer is 43. Everyone got same? Or any problem, discussion required for this question?
Right, sir.
Beta, for 7 consecutive integers and for complete group having 13 consecutive integers. In this situation, your average is the 4th term for this series. And for entire 13 consecutive integers, your average is the 7th term, middlemost term. Yes, beta? This point is clear?
Okay, sir.
And 4th term value is given, that is 37. So if you know the 4th term is 37, so what will be the 7th term for this odd consecutive integers? So if 4th one is 37, so 5th one is 39, then 41, and the 7th is 43. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Try to do it fast. Okay, so Nikhil got option number 3. It means 2 year and 3 year. निखिल आई थिंक एक बार रीचेक करिए. From my point of view, definitely the third and second is not possible. Only your answer, option number 1 or option number 4. Pranav got the correct one. Absolutely right. Yes, rest students. Umesh, Simran, Priyanka. Your answers. See, the language says average age of husband and wife who got married 5 years ago was 25 years at that time. It means at the time of marriage, average of husband and wife is 25. It means total age of husband and wife at the time of marriage is 50 years. It means total present age of husband and wife is definitely 60 years. And at present, total for all four members is equal to what? Because average value is 16. So
Right.
4 into 16, it means 64 years. It means the sum of age of these two childs is definitely 4 years. And because sum is 4, so either 1 plus 3, 4 or 2 plus 2, 4. But 2 plus 2, it means option number 4 is possible only when these two children are twins. Is not given in this question, especially the language says all of them have different ages with integral values. So the correct answer is definitely option number 1. It's 1 and 3. Yes.
So how did we get 60 years though?
And how did we get, sir, 50 years?
But average is 25. This is the average for husband and wife. So what is the average? Average means husband age plus wife age divided by 2. If this is 25, so the sum of husband plus wife age at the time of marriage is 25 into 2 is 50. Yes or no?
So,
And this marriage is 5 years ago. So in this time interval of 5 years, each member increased by plus 5. So plus 5 for husband and also for wife. It means at present, husband plus wife total age is 50 plus 5 for husband and 5 for wife. It means total present age of husband and wife is 60 years. Clear, beta?
and how will come, sir, 4 years gap?
4 years because the next language says average age of family, including the husband, wife, and 2 children. It means total 4 persons who were born during the interval is 16 years now. So what is the sum value if you know average and number of observation both? So because average value is 16 and there are total 4 persons, so total age of all 4 members at present is 64. And if you know the total for husband and wife at present is 60 and total of all 4 members is 64, it means definitely the sum of these two children is 4 years. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Actually, we considered here a husband, wife, and 2 children are 4.
Yes, 16 is the average for husband plus wife plus 2 children.
Here, 4 is a no number.
4
4 is husband plus wife plus 2 children is equal to 4, sir.
is equal to 64. 64 is the age of husband, wife plus 2 children. 16 is the average for whole family, no?
Actually, where does we get 4, sir? Actually, that's how.
4 is the difference of 64 and 60. This is the sum of all 4 members. And this is the sum of only husband and wife. So if you subtract these two data, now you get 4 years. And this 4 year is the total of 2 children. Okay.
So what's the answer, sir?
Correct answer is definitely 1 and 3.
But here is our answer is 64.
One answer is
64. What you have written.
no beta. 64 is the total for average multiply number of observation. This is the sum of all 4 members. It's part of explanation only. Your answer is only 4 for sum of both the members. So either 1 plus 3, 4 or 2 plus 2, 4. It means answer is either option number 1 or option number 4 because option number 4 not possible. This is possible only when these two children belongs to twins. But it's clearly given all of them have different ages. So different ages, so only option number 1 is possible.
Got it.
Now, next question is X numbers average value is y square. For x numbers, your average is given, that is y square. And for y numbers, average is x square. So what is the average for x plus y numbers? Question based on basic formula, that is sum of observation divided by number of observation. Okay. So Nikhil, Pranav, Ananya, and Nandini got the correct one. Yes, correct answer is XY. Absolutely right. So everyone got same?
So please explain.
Beta, again, if you know X numbers, average is Y square. So the sum in this situation for all X numbers, sum of all X numbers is equal to XY square. And again, for sum of all Y numbers is equal to YX square. If you require the average value of x plus y numbers, so sum of observation, that is xy square plus yx square divided by number of observations are x plus y. So xy is common from numerator, so remaining part in bracket is y plus x, and in denominator x plus y. So these two are cancelled out. The remaining part is only xy. It's clear, beta?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, guys. Now try this one. Series is given in the form of a square. 1 square to 10 square, and average is required for this series. Simple question.
So 50.5.
No, beta. Umesh, 51. Why?
Sir, because I used first term plus last term divided by 2.
That is applicable only when your continuous series are given. It's not a continuous series.
Okay.
1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9. Nikhil got the correct one. Pranav, I think calculation mistake किया है आपने. Actually, average is what? Average is sum of observation divided by number of observation, and for this series formula used for summation n square, which is equal to n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. And because average is required, so sum is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. And again, to get this average value, divide by n also, so n to n cancel. Hence formula for this series is n plus 1 to n plus 1 divided by 6, where n is the number of terms. For this series, your number of terms are 10. So 10 plus 1, it means 11. 2n plus 1, 21 divided by 6. And after doing some calculation, your correct answer is 38.5. Now clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Pranav, got it? Guys, now try this one. And obviously, to get the average value, you know the formula for summation n cube. So sum for all this series. Everyone knows the formula for summation n cube?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I don't know the formula for this.
The summation n cube is n plus 1 divided by 2 complete whole square. And to get the average value, divide by number of terms also. So divide by n also. It means average in this situation is n plus 1 whole square divided by 2. Yes, I think correct answer is 2205. Please check it fast. N means number of terms. For this series, your number of terms are 20. So 20 multiplied 21 square divided by 2.
Sir, if it's whole square, then denominator 4 नहीं होगा.
Whole square, yes, it's 4. Yes, correct.
Sir, explain it, sir.
But if you calculate the sum, only sum. So sum means what? N means 20. N plus 1, 21 divided by 2, complete whole square. So actually this is 21 into 10, it means 210 square. 21 square is 441 and 210 square is 44100. But we have to require the average. Average means sum of observation and divided by number of observations. So how many observations? Total 20 terms. So 4410 divided by 2 and your answer is 2205. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the language says in an examination, the average marks of 40 students is 72. So it means for 40 students, average is given, that is 72. Afterwards, it is found that the marks of 3 students are misread as 68, 65, 73. 68, 65, and 73 instead of 64, 62, and 84. 64, 62, and 84. Find the correct average marks of 40 students. So the actual marks are 64, 62, and 84, and by mistake it's counted as a 68, 65, and 73. So it means there is some change in the average value. So what is the correct average in this situation? Yes, Ananya and Nikhil got the correct one. Absolutely right. Why? Because in this situation, Nikhil, I think total marks are not required. Only total of these three is 206, and the actually total for actual marks is 210. It means in the total marks, 4 marks extra, and if you distribute this 4 extra marks in all 40 students, then you get 0.1 extra. So initial average value is given 72. Due to this 0.1 extra, your correct value is 72.1. Okay?
Sir, why you consider here 4, sir?
Because actual marks are 64, 62, and 84, and the sum of all three is 210. And by mistake, it's counted as a 68, 65, and 73. In this position, your sum is 206. So your actual marks are for these three subjects or three students is 210, but by mistake, it's only 206. It means actually 4 marks extra in the total, no?
4 marks. Okay, the difference is 4.
Yes, difference value is 4. And when this extra 4 marks distributed in all 40 students, now you get what? 0.1 extra. So 0.1 extra in the average value. Now your correct average value is 72.1.
So the difference value by the 40 students. Okay, sir.
Yes. Yes, guys. Try this one. So average for 7 numbers is given. And again for first 3 numbers and for next 2 numbers, average value is also given. Find the average of last 2 numbers. Again, a simple question. Okay, Nikhil. Yes, let's students, your answers. So Nikhil and Ananya got 30. Anushka, Anvesha, correct answer for this question is definitely 30. And need problem to just this simple data इसको आप basic से भी solve कर सकते हैं. Guys, put your comments fast. Yes, Jackie, your answer. Guys, discussion required for this question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Beta, in this question, total 7 numbers. Average value is given 34. Then, for first 3 numbers, your average is 28. For the next 2 numbers, your average is 47. And for last 2 numbers, average is required. So through the basic approach, 34 is the average for all 7 numbers. So 34 into 7, that is the total of all 7 numbers. 3 multiply 28, sum of initial three numbers. 2 multiply 47, sum of next two numbers. And if you subtract the total of all 7 numbers and the sum of these 5 numbers, now you get the total for last two numbers, and obviously that result is 60. And this is the sum for last two numbers. So when you divide by 2 because of two numbers, so your average value is 30. Otherwise, the shortest approach is take this group average value, that is 34, because initial three numbers average value is 24. We compare with this 34, it decreases by 6. So for three numbers, overall decrease value is minus 18. For these two numbers, your average is 47. On compare with this 34, it's plus 13, and because of two numbers, it's plus 26. So your overall effect is what? And overall effect is plus 8. And this plus 8 due to these two numbers when divided by 2. Why divided by 2? Because of two numbers. To convert this excess into average, now you get what? Plus 4. And because of plus 4, your result is 34 minus 4. It means your answer is 30. To maintain
So
this
what are
average.
these 3 no and 2 no and 2 no? What are these?
It's numbers. Actually, in the basic approach, sum of all 7 numbers is what? It is 34 into 7, because sum is equal to what? Average multiply with number of observation. So 7 fours are 28, carry 2, 7 threes are 21 plus 2, 23. This is the sum of all 7 numbers. Now, sum of initial 3 numbers is what? It's 28 into 3. It means 84. Sum of next two numbers is 47 multiplied 2, it means 94.
Okay.
So after adding these two values, 8 plus 9 plus 8, 17, it means 178. So the difference of these two is what? 60. But this is the total of last two numbers, and converted this value into average because of two numbers, so divided by 2. Why? Because average is sum of observation divided number of observations. It's 30. Okay.
So it is a simple process, no, sir.
It is the,
This makes a simple, no, sir.
yes.
Okay, sir.
So when the numbers are different, do we have to like divide it by the number which is ours?
Numbers are different,
Uh, like the first three and the next two. So when the questions sees like these two numbers are different, then we have to like.
tell me your figure. Give me any data. Yes, beta.
No, sir, I'm talking about these. The difference in the numbers, like the first three and the next two.
First three numbers is 28 and next two numbers is average value is 47. So the difference means, what is the difference value?
So the last question we did was like the same. No, these two numbers were the same. They were asking for the same last 12 numbers.
I think this one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They're asking for
Yes.
the first 12 and the last 12. So here it's different. No.
Actually, in this question, only remaining number value is required. It's only 13th term. And for this question, difference part is average of last two numbers is required, not numbers. Average is required.
Oh,
Okay, so at last
so
divided
that's why
by
we
2.
divided it.
Okay,
Got it, sir. Got it.
yes, try this one. 3 years ago, average age of family of 5 members was 17 years. A baby having been born, then the average age of that family is same today. Find the age of that child. Simple question. So the mental calculation easily deal कर सकते हैं with this question. Anyone got it? Okay, Pranav. Why all of you taking so much time for this simple question? नंदिनी got 17. नंदिनी बेटा कैसे possible है ये? In this language, it's clearly given 3 years ago there is no child,
Oh,
and in
okay.
the
Yes, sir.
interval of these 3 years, age of that child is 17 years.
Sorry, sir.
Umesh got 3. Yes, Umesh, how to get this 3? Please explain.
Sir, because in today the average age of all family members is also 17 years, but the
Yes.
average but the age of child is 3 years. 3 years because 3 years ago the age of child is 0.
Then
Then I have calculated this in my mind.
but, at present, it is clear that the average age is 17 for all 6 members, including that child. Yes or no? Sum of all 6 members age is 17 multiply 6, it means 102. And 3 years ago, sum of all 5 members is 17 into 5, it means 85. But in the 3-year duration, each member's age increased by 5 years, it means 15 years extra in this 3 years interval. So actually at present, sum of all 5 members is 100 and sum of all 6 members is 102. So the what is difference value is 2. Exactly this is the age of that child. Correct answer is 2 beta.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Rahul, clear? Also
How will
got
come
30
15?
beta. How it is possible 30?
Sir, how will come 15?
15 because in this 3-year interval,
Okay.
every member age increased by 3 years. So 3 into 5, it means total age increased by 15 years of this group of 5 members.
Okay. Got it.
Clear, everyone? Now, again, a language-wise good question. So do it carefully. Now, suppose this question is in your test. This question is in your test due to the language of this question only. Read the language carefully. "10 years ago, sum of age of 8 persons, joint family, is 231. From this moment, 3 years later, one member died at the age of 60 and a child was born during the same year. Again, after another 3 years, one more member died at the age of 60 and the child was born during the same year. The current average age of this 8 members joint family is nearest to. Nearest to, it means your answer is definitely comes in decimal. So the closest figure out of given 4 option, which one is correct? Balzor and Rahul, concept for the previous question is clear?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Anyone got it? Yes, Pranav, Ananya, Simran, Yuvraj.
So explain this.
Problem in this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. Rest students, your response. अब तक सिर्फ प्रणव ने response किया है.
Explain, sir.
Okay, so age, total age is given, that is 231. This is the total age of all 8 members joint family, but 10 years ago. 10 years ago, sum of 8 members is equal to 231. This is directly given in this question. 3 years later, so 3 years later from this moment, so obviously in these 3 years, each member's age is increased by 3 years. So for 8 members, your initial sum is 231. Now your sum is obviously plus 24. Why? Because 8 members and each member's age increased by 3 years. Yes or no? This point is clear, everyone? Due to time interval,
Yes, sir.
24 years extra. And one member died at the age of 60. So subtract this 60. And a child was born during the same year. So it means plus 0. Why 0? Because at this time, the age of that child is 0. So actually the sum of all 8 members, again 8 members, one member died and one born, it means again 8 members. The total sum at this situation is minus 36 from this to 31, it means it's 195. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
And the same incident repeat for another 3 years. So again for another 3 years, your previous sum is 195. And due to time interval, 24 years excess value. And again, one members died at the age of 60 and one child born. So now the total age is 159 at this time. Is it clear or any doubt till this step?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Now, current average for 8 members joint family is required. So to get this current average, you have to require the present total age. So the present total age is equal to what? 159 is the total age at this position. From this last 10 years, 3 plus 3, it was 6 years over to get the total value for present, obviously 4 years extra for each member. So because of 8 members, 8 4s are 32 years added in this total. Now, actual total value is 191 for the 8 members. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So convert this value into average. 191 divided by 8. Why? Because average is sum of observation divided by number of observation. So this figure is close to 23.8. It means through the options, your answer is very close to 24. So the correct one is option number 4.
The house the 4 has come, sir. 18 to 4, 32. 4 years.
Yes, because to get the present total from this moment, 4 years extra for each member. And because of 8 members, 8 4s are 32 added in this total.
Okay.
I hope
So
clear
can you
everyone.
please explain why 4 years again?
4 years again. Okay, beta. Yes. Who asked this?
Me, sir, me.
Okay. Beta, suppose your age, present age is maybe 25. Present age is 25. At present, your age is 25. So obviously 10 years back, your age was 15 years. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from this moment, 3 years later, your age was 18. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Again, from this moment, 3 years later, your age was 21. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you know the age of this moment is 21, so how to get the present age? Obviously with +4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
there
sir.
are 8 members. So 4 into 8, it means 32 extra. Now clear?
Got it, sir. Got it.
So where does we get 10 for 15, sir? 15 years.
10 for
15 years.
but at present, if age is 25, so obviously 10 years before, it's 15 years. So just one example only.
So we take an example just like that.
Yes, yes, it's only example, not related to this question. Yes, try this one. Give a simple question. A is the average of a series of n consecutive odd numbers starting with x, and B is the average of n consecutive odd numbers starting with x plus 4. So the value of B minus A is okay. So yes, rest students, your response for this question is, or again facing problems to solve this question. Yes, Ananya.
Sir, option A.
Option A. It's your guess or
No,
any
sir.
process?
No, sir. I assumed the numbers.
Okay,
X.
yes, absolutely right. The correct way, like n consecutive odd numbers, maybe n is equal to 5. So let the numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Obviously, for these 5 consecutive odd numbers, your average value is 5. So A is the average for this series. So A is equal to 5. The next series, again for consecutive odd numbers, but this time your series starts with x plus 4. So if your previous series starts with 1, so now this time your series starts with 5. So 5, 7, 9, 11, 30. So in this position, your average value is 9. So B is the average, that is 9. So what is the value of B minus A? It is 5, 9 minus 5. It means definitely 4. Correct answer is always 4.
Sir,
It's
how
clear,
is
everyone?
Again, sir.
Beta, suppose 5 consecutive odd numbers, maybe in the form of x, because question says starting with x. So in this position, your first number is x plus 1. Sorry, first number is x. Start with x. So your first number is x. So the next number is definitely x plus 2. Next one is x plus 4. Next one is x plus 6. And the next one is x plus 8. If you take only 5 numbers. In this position, your average is definitely x plus 4. Next series starts with x plus 4. So the first term of this next series is x plus 4. So the next will be x plus 6. Next x plus 8. Next x plus 10. And the last one is x plus 12. And obviously for this series, your middlemost value is x plus 8. So this is B and this one is A. And clearly the difference value is 4. So in all cases, your difference is always 4. Now clear?
yes, sir.
So
So
try this one.
we have taken n is 5 as an assumption. No, right?
And
I mean,
assumptions like,
no. In the question it is given, sir, n is 5.
yeah, no. You take any numbers like n is equal to 7, n is equal to 10, or n is equal to 50. But obviously, you always take a small value to get easier for calculation point of view.
Okay, sir.
Now the question says, there are 2 sections, A and B. Sections are A and B. Number of students are 25 and 32. And the average weight for A is 38, section A is 38, and for section B is 35. Average. Average is required for the whole class. Whole class, it means for section A as well as section B. Combined average is required. And I think same question, same type question is discussed in the previous session. Yes, guys. Okay, yes. Umesh got option number 2. Yes, the correct one is definitely option number 2. 36.3. Absolutely right. So everyone got same or any problem? Guys, discussion required for this question or clear to everyone?
Required, sir.
Okay. See, in basic approach, this basic approach involves some calculation. 25 students and the average value is 34. This is the total for section A. 32 students and average value is 35. This is the total for section B. So sum of all divided by number of observations. So number of observations, it means 25 students for section A and 32 for section B. It's 25 plus 32. So this approach involves some calculation. Otherwise, different approach with assumed average. You know very well how to deal in this position. Suppose your assumed average value is 35. So on compare with this 35, this gives plus 3, and obviously the difference from these is 0. So this part overall effect is 0. And average in each student, it's plus 3. So out of total 25 students, overall 75 excess. And this excess value, when distributed among all the students, so all students, it means 25 plus 32. So the sum is equal to what? It is 57. So in approximate calculation, if you convert this 75 into 76 divided by 57, why convert to 76? Because everyone knows the table of 19. So 19 threes are 57 and 19 fours are 76. So 4 by 3, it means it is 1.333. So add this value in this figure. So correct answer is 36.3. Jackie, clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now next question says, average weight of A, B, C is 84. Average of A, B, C, 3 persons, average is 84 kg. D join, average becomes 80. So one new person D join. Now your average is converted to 80, means decrease by 4 kg. If another person E, who is 3 kg heavier than D, it means from these two equations, you can easily calculate the weight of D. And if you know the weight of D, so easily calculate the weight of E, because E is 3 kg heavier than D. Replaces A, it means E replaces A, and then the average weight of BCDE, average weight of BCDE becomes 79 kg. So the weight of A is required. Try this one. So I think with the help of this initial statement, D's weight is 68, and if you know D's weight is 68, so D's weight is 3 kg more than D, it means 71. So if you know A, B, C, D, average is 80, and for B, C, D, E, average weight is 79. This is your equation number 1, and this one is equation number 2. With the help of these two equations, because B, C, D are common, so easily get the relation between A and E, and you know the weight of E, so easily calculate the weight of A. Is it doable? Otherwise, I'll discuss.
Discussions.
Discuss.
From this point, E's weight is 71. This part is clear?
75.
Yes or no?
75.
Yes, correct answer is 75. Tell me everyone, you have any problem? E's weight is 71, this point is clear?
So explain.
Beta, after including one new person, your weight is converted to 80. Take this new average value, that is 80. Now this time decrease by 4 because of 3 members. So 3 4s are 12. Subtract this 12. Now you get 88. This is the weight of D. And if D's weight is 68 and clearly given, E is 3 kg heavier than D. It means E's weight is 75. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now ABCD average weight is 40. BCDE average weight is 79. When subtract these two equations, so your A minus E is equal to 4. B, C, D all are cancelled. A minus D is equal to 4. Why 4? Actually, difference value is 1 because of 4 members. So actually this is 4. And you know E's weight is 71. So A's weight is 4 plus 71. It means 75 kg. Okay. Yes, guys, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again, the same type of question. Average temperature of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is 31 degrees Celsius. On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, average temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. And average temperature of Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is 29.5 degrees Celsius. So with the help of these two equations, again, if you subtract these two equations, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday cancel out, and Monday minus Friday. Actually, in average, your difference value is 1.5. So because of 4 days, 1.5 into 4, it means the difference temperature of Monday and Friday is 6 degrees Celsius. Now, with the help of the second statement, if the temperature of Monday is 37.5% more than that of Friday, so usually आप relation establish कर सकते हैं between Monday and Friday, and you know the difference. So it means one equation is this and another one is from this statement. So easily calculate the temperature of Monday. It's great fast. And if you know 37.5 in terms of fraction is 37.5% in terms of fraction is 3 by 8 for easy calculation. Yes, Pranav, Priyanka, Samran. With the help of this fraction value, आप easily relation establish कर सकते हैं between Monday and Friday. So if you take this Friday temperature is equal to 8 unit. Why 8? Because in this fraction 3 by 8. So comparison obviously with the total value. So comparison is given for the Friday. So if you take the Friday is equal to 8 units, so Monday is 3 more than 8. It means 11 unit. 11 and 3, the difference value is 11 and 8, difference is 3, and this 3 is equal to 6. So obviously 1 is equal to 2. If 1 is equal to 2, so 11 is equal to 22 and 8 is equal to 16. Temperature for Monday is 22 degrees Celsius and temperature for Friday is 16 degrees Celsius. So correct answer for Monday is 22 degrees Celsius. It's clear, everyone? Anyone having any doubt?
So about the relation.
About the relation, okay. In the relation, it is clear given that Monday was 37.5% more than Friday. 37.5% means 3 by 8 more than Friday. If you take, suppose Friday temperature is equal to X degrees Celsius. So Monday temperature was X plus 3 by 8 of X. That is 11 by 8 of X. And the difference value is 6 according to this equation. So Monday temperature is 11 by 8 of X. And Friday temperature is X degrees Celsius. This is equal to 6. Till this step, everything is fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what will be the value of X from this equation? Obviously 3 by 8, difference value is 3 by 8, that is equal to 6. So 3 2 and 8, X is equal to 16. And if X is 16, it is the temperature for Friday. It means for Monday, it is 11 by 8 of 6. 11 by 8 of 16. So definitely this is 22 degrees Celsius. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the last question for today's class. And
Show the
this
previous
question
question.
asked, okay, beta. Any problem in this?
Okay, sir.
Yes. This question asked in your CAT examination. Very good question. Rakesh and Girish are among 10 students who write CAT exam. So Rakesh scored 10. Average score of 9 students other than Girish is 6. And the average score of all the 10 students is 0.5 more than average score of 9 students other than Rakesh. So the score of Girish is so you have 2 minutes to solve this question. After 2 minutes, I will discuss. Time starts now. So guys, anyone got it?
So please explain.
Okay, beta. Now see the explanation. Total 10 students given. Out of this 10 students, one is Rakesh. Next is Girish. And obviously rest 8 students. First statement says clearly the Rakesh score is 10. So directly the score of Rakesh is 10. And score of Girish is required. So if you know the rest 8 students total value, how to get this from this statement? Average score of 9 students other than Girish. So other than Girish, it means Rakesh is included. So it means the score of Rakesh plus sum of rest 8 students divided by 9. What is the average? Average is sum of observation divided by 9. 9 means sum of observations, that is 6. And you know the score of Rakesh is 10. So it means 10 plus sum of 8 students is equal to 9 6 are 54. It means sum of rest 8 students total score is 44. I hope this one is clear to everyone. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, from the second step, the average score of all the 10 students. So all the 10 students, it means sum of all 10. So how to get the sum of all 10? Obviously, sum of 8 students plus score of Rakesh plus score of Girish divided by 10 is 0.5 more than average score of 9 students other than Rakesh. Other than Rakesh, it means Girish is included. So how to get this average? Sum of 8 students plus score of Girish divided by 9. And because this average is 0.5 more, to maintain this equation, just add 0.5 extra to equal this equation. And out of this complete equation, you know sum of 8 is 44. The score of Rakesh is 10. So it means only Girish is unknown figure. With the help of this equation, easily आप गिरीश का स्कोर कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. Yes, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me the answer. Correct answer is what? Are you got same? Simple equation is 44 plus 10 equals 54 plus Girish divided by 10 is equal to 44 plus Girish divided by 9 plus 0.5 extra. And finally, your correct answer is what? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, so this is the end of this class. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Thank you.
See you in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.